common milkweed are very difficult to transplant. I'm going to show you one I did correctly and one I did incorrectly. So here's the one I did incorrectly. Let's go with the mistake first. I dug around it to figure out which way the root was running. The roots run sideways. That one's done correctly, but you can see I snapped this one off, so unfortunately I didn't do a good job. Now when you're transplanting it, you want to transplant it when it's small. Be careful to excavate it. These roots are very extensive, and I find that common is exceptionally difficult to transplant because of this. If you look and you see them going like this way, the likelihood is the root runs like this because it spreads by rhizomes or roots.